All right, welcome back. So how do we solve this simple rational equation? It's very simple. I might not even talk too much in this class because this is basically simple. So you have 20 over x plus 3, then everything minus 4x equals 0. So the first thing you can do for you to get your x, because what they ask us to find is x, okay? So you can add 4 to both sides. Let me add 4 to both sides of this equation. So I have 20 out of x plus 3 equals 4, okay? And basically, what we have to do is just cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, this is over 1. 1 multiplied by 20, you have 20. 3x multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 4 is going to give you 4 multiplied by x plus 3. All right? So you now have 20 equals x multiplied by 4 is 4x, and 3 multiplied by 4 is plus 12. All right? So basically, you collect like time by subtracting 12 from both sides. So, and this will give you 8 equals 4x. Then you divide both sides by 4, and your 8 divided by 4 is going to give you 2, and this is going to be x. So the value for x is what? Is 2. So you can substitute into the original equation to see if that is correct. Let's quickly do that. So this is the original equation, which is 20 over x plus 3 equal, sorry, there's a minus 4 equals 0. So let's check if everything here equals 0. So remember our s is 2. So you say 20 over 2 plus 3 minus 4, is it equal 0? So we have 20 over this plus this is going to give you 5 minus 4 equals 0. So it must be equals to 0. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 minus 4, of course, is equals to 0. So 4 minus 4 equals 0. That means that our answer is correct.